Deco's Custom Product Builder gives you the ability to import a 50% gray image that can be dynamically colored by the system. Sounds great, but the color accuracy can be spotty at best. And if you have heathered garments within your custom product, there is no way of representing this look. Here is the better way. I'm creating this pocket t-shirt as a custom product. Adjust the image size to 1200 by 1200 pixels and remove the background. Next, desaturate the image. Do the same process for the back image and any other views you need. Now add a black and white adjustment layer and then a levels adjustment layer. On the black and white adjustment layer, by clicking on the tint, you can see that it colors the shirt. I create a spreadsheet and have a hexadecimal value of each shirt color that allows me to copy and paste the value into the color picker. Now by using the slider in the levels layer, you can darken and lighten the shirt until it is correct. Once the tint color is correct, all the different views are colored and ready for exporting as a PNG. To create a heathered look, select each view and on a new layer, fill it with 50% gray. Apply a noise filter, set the layer to multiply, and adjust the transparency somewhere between 25 and 30%, or until it looks good to you. When all the colors are done, you'll be able to upload an image for each colorway. On the next video, I'll show you how I complete the product within the Deco system.